Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Hyundai Venue SEL. This one is essentially brand new, little over 1,200 miles on it, and that's it. So the previous owner must have traded up, or this was a dealer demo or something like that, because it's in excellent shape. All the manuals, everything is included in this car. Not bad at all. This is my first time driving a Venue. It's a really fun car. What's especially nice about it is how compact it is. It's a very compact SUV. It feels a little bit smaller than the Kia Soul, because I think this one's based on the Kia Seltos. Not bad at all. 1.6 liter, 4-cylinder, no turbo, made it to a CVT transmission. Ceramic white over black, $20,715. 121 horsepower, 113 pound-feet of torque. But you'll see on the drive, it really, around parking lots and stuff like that, it feels a little bit quicker than that. I am in sport mode. You can change all the drive modes right on this knob here. But let's go for a drive. Again, we're driving this on my test track. Tests visibility, tests power, tests handling, and also tests suspension. So it's a very nice test track, and it's located on our property. So I can do, this is my 10th car today, and it's 12 o'clock, it's noontime. You'll see it throttle tip in. It's very responsive, and it's a very nimble platform coming into the S bend. And up to 40. From a stoplight, or stop sign, one and the same, honestly. Over the speed bump. honestly, this thing is a ton of fun to drive. It's a very, very nimble platform. I could drive this thing all day. It's very, very compactly big. I don't know how I'm gonna. Yeah, that's the term I'm going with. It feels a lot bigger than it actually is. And visibility is phenomenal too. Brakes, not bad at all. Crush the snowball. Sorry, I'm a child. Alright, slowing down, downhill. I'm going to come up with a name for all these sections. We have full throttle alley or something like that. You know, make it fun. You know, because they're allowing me to film on the lots and stuff like that. Use the lot as a test track, so I have to come up with some kind of name for all of these sections. And then up the hill climb. Basically, it tests how much throttle input I have to do and stuff like that. And it also tests the transmission. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.